So class 9, your chapter number 1, number system. We are going to revise whole chapter quickly. First question of number system. Find 10 rational numbers between 4 by 15 and 7 by 20. Means you have to find rational numbers between 4 by 15 and 7 by 20. So you must know that there are a lot of, means infinitely many rational numbers. Find between two rational numbers. You know, between two rational numbers, infinitely many rational numbers are found. So what you have to do, you have to just take LCM of denominators of the rational number. LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Okay? So after taking LCM, we will equalize the denominator of the numbers. 15 4 ja 60 means you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 4. Okay? By 4. Second one is 7 by 20, 23 ja. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. 21 by 60. So now this has been converted into 16 by 60 and this has been converted into 21 by 60. But it has been asked, find 10 rational numbers. How many? 10. Between 16 and 21. How many numbers are there? How many natural numbers? 17, 18, 19, 20. Just 4. And you have to find out 10. So what you have to do? You have to just do one thing. Just increase 0 means at the place of 4 you have to write 40, 40. At the place of 3 you have to write 30, 30. So what will happen? 4 into 40? 120. Now you can easily find out rational number, means natural number between 160 and 210. And the natural number are 161 by 600, 162 by 600, 163 by 600, 164 by 600. Means you can easily write 10 rational number. Question is, find 10 irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means if you express irrational number in the form of decimal, that is neither terminating and nor repeating. Means if you are going to express, first of all, to find out irrational number, what you have to do, first step is just convert given number into decimal. To find irrational numbers, you have to convert given rational numbers into decimal. So decimal up to how many places? See here, I have just divided 7 by 11. 11 6 ja, 11 3 ja, 0.63, and here it is 0.61. In between 0.63 and means 63 and 61. 62 is found. So you have to do just one thing, you have to divide it once more. 6 6 ja 66, and here what you will find? You will find out 1. So 8 by 13 is equal to 0.611, and here 636. You have to divide it up to 3 decimal places, and this also up to 3 decimal places. Why I have not divided it up to only 2 decimal places? Because between 63 and 61 there is only one number, that is 62. So it will become difficult for us to search the irrational number. So I have divided it up to 3 decimal places. So you have to write it just like it. This. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you have to find rational number between 636 and 611. So which one is the greater one? This one is the greater one?
Yes, sir.
This one is the smaller one?
Yes, sir.
0.611. 0, 1, 00, 1, 000, 1, dash, dash, and 0.612, 0, 1, 00, 1, 000, 1, dash, 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 3 times. 0.612, 0, 5, 005, 000, 5 means a decimal expression which is neither terminating and not repeating is irrational. Is irrational. Again 0.612, 06, 006, 0006, dash, dash, dash. You can write 613 also, 614 also, means up to 635, and easily you can find out 10 irrational numbers. But this pattern you have to follow. This one is the most important one. Why I am writing it like this? Because after 10, 20, 30, same digit is repeated. It means it is not a repeating decimal. It is not a repeating decimal because there is 10, 20, 30. You have to simplify it. Very easy. What you have to do? 3 root 3. Write the whole thing. Here. Okay. Now plus 2 root 5. 2 root 3 minus 3 root 5 means I am multiplying this into this whole thing, again this into this whole thing. If here it was minus, we have to write here minus. How will you multiply 3 root 3 into 2 root 3? What is the method? 3 2 ja?
6.
Root 3 into root 3 is equal to root 9 or 3. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. Root x into root x is equal to x. Means if anything in its root is multiplied twice, root is eliminated. Okay? So 6 into 3, 18. Now you have to multiply 3 root 3 into 3 root 5. But before that, here it is plus and it is minus. Minus. Multiply 3 root 3 into 3 root 5. 3 3 ja? 9. Root 3 into root 5. 3 5 ja? 15. So your answer is 9 root 15. Okay. Same thing here. You have to multiply 2 root 5 into 2 root 3. 2 root 5 into 2 root 3. 2 2 ja? 4. Root 15 plus 4 root 15. 2 root 5 into 3 root 5. 2 3 ja? 6. Root 5 into root 5? 5. Under root 25 which is equal to 5. 6 5 ja? 30. But you have to write here minus. Now what will you do? These two terms are like terms. You will simplify it. 18 minus 30 equal to minus r plus 12. Minus r plus 12. Minus. Why? Because number which is larger is signed with minus. Okay? And here, what will be the answer? Minus 9 root 15 plus 4 root 15 means minus 9 plus 4 is equal to what? Minus 9 plus 4.
Minus 13.
If there is a minus and second one plus, you have to subtract it. Minus 5. Why minus? Because the larger number has sign minus. Minus 5 and under root 15 is there. These two terms cannot be added nor subtracted because they are unlike terms. This is the whole history of the rule of addition and subtraction. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 and sign will be positive because larger number has attached with plus. 4 minus 9 minus 5 because larger number has sign minus. In case of one number plus positive and second number negative minus, you have to subtract it and sign will be applied the number which is larger one, greater one. So the larger number was here 9, so I have written minus. If both numbers are in minus, both, then you have to write minus and add. 4 plus 9, 13. Same here 13 plus. Any doubt? No. This question is identity based. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. And you can also find out it into square means you have to multiply same number twice. Okay? Under root 7 multiplied in under root 7 into minus under root 2 and minus under root 2 multiplied in root 7 minus root 2. Root 7 into root 7 7. Root 7 into root 2 okay. Root 2 into root 7 minus will be the sign and minus root 2 into minus root 2 minus root 2 into minus root 2 plus minus plus root 2 into root 2 plus 7 plus 2 9 and minus 1 root 14 minus 1 root 14 means minus 1 root 14 minus 1 root 14 minus 1 minus 2 root 14. Suppose any student is applying formula. Formula is A square plus B square minus 2A B. So root 7 square 7 root 2 square minus 2 under root 7 into under root 2. You will get the same answer with the help of identity. But you must know the procedure, how it is multiplied. This one. And the most important thing, y under root 4 minus under root 14 minus under root 14 is equal to, just take common from these two. What will be the common under root 14? Okay. What will remain here? Minus 1. Here also minus 1. And if any student takes minus under root 14 common, so what will be here? Plus 1 and plus 1. Minus under root 14 into 2 is equal to minus 2 under root 14. So students, in the next video we will learn how to convert a bar decimal expression in the form of P upon Q. Suppose anything written 0.3 bar, 0.45 bar, how will you convert in the form of P upon Q in the next video? Okay? Thank you.